Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Now, Buju Banton announces joint tour Roots and Rhymes with Stephen Marley. The Gargamel made the announcement in a social media post on Wednesday saying, "History in the making, Buju Banton and Stephen Marley Roots and Rhymes summer tour with special guests Grams Morgan and Splacka on select dates." Now, the tour kicks off on June 17 and will run through to July 25. This announcement comes after Buju Banton announced his upcoming single, Butterflies, which is set to drop this Friday. Protege kicks off his highly anticipated 2026 US tour, fresh from his 19-city European tour, which closed in London on April 12. Now, throughout April and May, Protege will appear at premier festivals, including Reggae Rise Up, Reggae in the Desert, Austin Reggae Festival, and New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival, while continuing a series of headlining performances across the globe. Now, no new music, but Rihanna continues to make music history. According to Rolling Stone, the multi-Grammy award-winning singer is now the first woman to surpass 200 million single certifications by the Recording Industry Association of America. This brings her total to 200.5 million units. She now ranks third on the all-time list, behind only Drake with 277.5 million and Morgan Wallen with 215 million. Hits like Umbrella, Only Girl in the World, Don't Stop the Music, and We Found Love continue to rack up massive streaming numbers, pushing her past the historic 200 million mark. That's tea. Now, on the international scene, singer Katy Perry is reportedly under investigation following a sexual assault allegation from Australian actress Ruby Rose. The Orange is the New Black star accuses Perry of assaulting her at a Melbourne nightclub nearly 20 years ago. A representative for Perry has denied the allegation, calling it categorically false and reckless. Police say the investigation is ongoing and have not released further details. And Madonna is preparing to drop a full-length album for the first time in 7 years. The Queen of Pop made the announcement on social media by posting a photo of the album cover. Confessions on a Dance Floor Part 2 is set for release on July 3. Madonna says it will be a follow-up to her 2005 dance record with producer Stuart Price. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.